Hello students, today we will talk about the difference between there and there, as many students get confused while using them in written English. So firstly we will look at the meanings. The first one, which is spelled as THERE, has many meanings, but two of them are mainly used. As per the first meaning, this word signifies the place or position of something, and as per the second meaning, this word is used to indicate the fact or existence of something. I'll explain the meanings with examples later on. The second word, which is spelled as THEIR, is a possessive determiner, and it tells about the things which belong to people. So let's move on. So firstly we will look at the meaning of THERE, and as per its first meaning we will consider some examples to make the meaning clearer. So the first meaning is, we went to London and stayed there for 10 days. Now this there signifies London, the place, the location. So we went to London and stayed there. Here there means they stayed in London for 10 days. So it signifies the position. Next one is, I'm not going there, it's freezing. So here the speaker want to signify a place or a location where which is very cold. So he is saying, I'm not going there. So there here signifies a position. Let's move to next example. They stayed there for 24 hours with no food. So here there signifies a place where the people stayed for 24 hours without food. So basically it is again indicating a place. Next, move on to the next example. Firefighters were told by neighbors that the house was empty, but two men had been staying there. Now there signifies the house, means again a place or a location. Let's move to the next example. After school, he would go to the local library and stay there until it's closed. So here now there signifies the local library, again a place, again a location. So the first meaning of there indicates a place or a position. Let's move to the second meaning. Now as per second meaning, there is used to indicate the fact or existence of something. Now you can see in all the examples there is used in the starting of the sentence. So it is generally used in the starting of the sentence when it is used to indicate the fact or existence of something. If you are using there in the starting of the sentence and you get confused that which there I have to use, there is a high probability that you need to use THERE. So let's take the first example into consideration. There are many museums in this city. So basically the word there signifies the existence of museums. Now let's move to the second example. There is a supermarket round the corner. Now the word there indicates the existence of a supermarket. So let's move to the next example. There are no tickets available for the show. Now there is used to show non-availability of tickets, or it signifies that non-existence of tickets. So basically again the same usage. Next, there are few things which need improvement. So there now indicates the fact that the existence of few things. Let's move to the next example. There were many people in the football stadium. Now there is used to indicate the existence of people in the football stadium. So there, when it is used as which when it is used to indicate the fact or existence of something, it is generally used in the starting of the sentence. Let's move to the next slide. So now we are moving to the second word, which is THER, and it has entirely different meaning and usage. So let's take the examples into consideration to make the usage clearer. So first example is, parents are always keen to help their children. Their children means parents' children. So there is used here. Never use THERE here. So it's their house. It's their house means the house belong to someone. Next example, in our society many are crying out to be understood, but we fail to hear their voices. So here the voices belong to people who are crying out, so their voices. Let's move to next example. After their visit, the team decided to go back again to try to do more for their country. So here there is used to signify that the team's country, their country. So let's move to the next example. She is envious of their success means here she is jealous of someone's success. So I hope you are clear with the meanings now and will use these words appropriately. Thank you.